Well, here it is finally back. My black Pelonis Table Fan. The only one I really was owning for now was the white one that was going to be my cousin, which is that one right there. And I gotta say that this one is in much better condition than the white one. It oscillates properly. It doesn't shake. It's in really good balance. And I do kind of like the black look of it. So first of all, since it's black, the badge, it has to have the white logo, whereas with the white one, it has the black logo. And the blades are the same. The only thing is that is that it doesn't stay in place as much as the white one does, but that's alright. There's the back of it. Oscillation control, which is really deep. If you remember in that comparison video, I said that the Alaska Model 2000 is better than the white one, which actually also equals this one, but turns out that I wouldn't say it's better. I wouldn't say that it's better. I would say it's better than this one, but this one's not really as bad as the white one. The only also concern that I have is the handle. It is kind of useless. Yeah, these handles are really bad. Let's start it up on high. There we go. At least it's staying up like that. It's powerful. Yeah, the balance is really good. There's medium. There's low. Yeah, this thing's super quiet. Yeah, I'm very impressed with this one. And yes, the white one, yeah, like I said, this one oscillates properly. See, there's nothing wrong with it other than like the white one, where when it does this, it likes to stay in that position and not oscillate. So at least now we have all our fans. Now we must I guess make that video that I was doing, that I was planning to make of all these fans. So yes, this thing is so much better than the white one. So, and that could probably just be my opinion, because they're both exactly the same, except this one, it wasn't as used as much as the white one, so it's perfect. So thanks for watching. Peace.